So clutch is good?
Yeah.
Now we need valve covers?
Now we're waiting on valve covers, waiting on an intake manifold,
Mm-hmm.
so I can finish this thing. Like be able to finish the car.
And put it all back together. Here's where it's at right now. Almost done.
Almost.
But it almost only counts in horseshoes and hand grenades. And lawn darts.
So. Say lawn darts?
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever heard someone bring up lawn darts in a conversation.
Because it was banned.
Yeah, they are banned.
Yeah. The original version was like actually dangerous. It was like shooting a bow and arrow up in the air.
That show 1,000 Ways to Die?
Yeah, was that on there?
Yeah.
Not really?
Somebody died from those.
See? Told ya. Yeah. It was legitimately dangerous though. They were
Believe it.
it was like shooting an arrow up in the air and just waiting for it to come down.
It's like in what's it called?
They did that in the movie.
It's in Grown-Ups.
Yeah, and that's exactly the scene I was thinking of.
Funny scene.
Yeah, it is.
Sounds like it'd be funny in real life too.
Yeah.
Unless of course you get an arrow stuck in you somewhere.
Yeah, that would
in your foot.
that would not be fun.
Yeah, I shouldn't need to tell you. You're worried about wieners. I could say wiener and you'd be like, that's just too much. A little bit too much for me.
Yeah.
He said wiener.
Kyle's chuckling in the background. Oh man.
Oh, he knows.
He's good. Yeah, he knows. I get a little worried, that's all.
My mom watches this stuff. I don't know if she knows what a wiener is.
Oh my god. Well, I do check the box that says no, this is not for kids when I upload the video.
Oh,
So, yeah, there's an actual question that they ask you. Yes, is it for kids? No, is it for kids? No, or no, it's not. Proper grammar.
that's not good. You're taking away from the kids.
Yeah. Take one. That's yeah.
That ain't fair.
Not fair to the kids. You're right.
That ain't fair for the children. They need to see us. We're their heroes.
I don't know why he would do this. The dude apologized when he dropped it off.
Did he do this?
He's like, I don't know. I don't know if he bought it like this or he did. He's like, I'm sorry for the headers. I'm like, sick. Thanks. That means it's bad.
Oh my
The
god.
RTV?
Yeah, he just said, he told Bill, he's like, tell the guy I apologize for the headers. That's all he said.
Well, at least he was nice enough to apologize.
I'll give you $3. You know what blower that is? Without fucking
It's the F1X.
Made by who?
Pro Charger.
Damn. I don't.
I mean, he's made fucking 40 posts about it. I mean,
And Eric.
Oh, $3.
Yeah, I owe you $3.
I honestly knew he was going to get that.
Yeah.
Trust me, it was the easiest possible thing. You want to see him not get
I
it?
asked him
What heads are on the thing?
I thought he would have known F1X. F1X.
That's insulting.
I knew he would have known that. He asked him who it was made by, and then I got
Do you know what whose intake manifold this is?
Frankenstein.
Well, that's the fuel rails, because you're looking at the name.
But isn't it the Frankenstein? It's
It
got
is.
the label
What-
on the front
what
right.
Frankenstein?
Oh, I don't know the exact model number.
Whose cylinder heads?
I'm assuming Frankenstein too, or?
Don't assume.
Yeah, you don't assume.
Well, it's either Frankenstein or AI.
Well, it's not Frankenstein or AI. I mean, no, they are Frankenstein, but I'm saying that's not like your only choices that you have on shit like this. You don't know what model they are, though.
No, I don't know exact model number and everything.
I don't expect it.
These aren't what? These aren't the monster series, are they?
No, these are the F710.
I was gonna say
Same ones that are on my race car.
We've been talking
Or
about
715 or whatever.
that thing getting a ported stock blower for 3 days now, and he walks over this morning and goes, "What are the intake manifolds not in yet?"
I did say that. I did say that. Yeah. I don't.
You don't get upset.
Yeah. No, I'm not. I just
This is our way of teaching you.
Yeah.
We have to f with you along the way. Because if we didn't want you to learn,
No, I
we wouldn't f***ing say shit.
literally probably. I do remember the conversation yesterday of him getting irritated with me at the end of the day because I asked him again, and then.
Hey, damn it.
Little blue one. You said Texas Speed headers?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at them. I like the valve covers, they're pretty cool.
It's like a big block Chevy or something.
Yeah, that's neat. We'll see how much of a monstrosity this. He said sorry, like actually. Oh man.
So I knew it was gonna be bad.
The guy knew. Let's see what we got here.
First of all, he's got red RTV at every pipe connection. So that's gonna be a pain in the ass to deal with. And then for all his O2 sensors and his wideband, he's got them all just like a stupid nest of wiring.
Lift it up.
Wiring loom.
Were these unplugged? Like
No,
that?
I unplugged.
Oh, you unplugged them. Okay.
And he wrapped one in electrical tape, which I don't know if you know electrical tape, but when it gets hot, it's gonna melt, and it melted right on top of the mid pipe.
Cool.
It's just so stupid looking. Like, look at all the wires. Like, he's just got just everywhere. And the way these headers are, I have to take both of them off to get the bell housing off. So that's gonna be fun.
Coming in for a tune. And your car is already on ethanol. It would be very helpful if you bring it without ethanol in it.
Yeah. Or if Matt remembers to drain the ethanol after he puts it all together.
Easier said than done. It's not like I did a fuel system.
Yeah. No, I'd already had it, so.
So I gotta get this whole contraption going.
So we got the Max Effort All Engine kit, I guess you call it.
Max
something like that.
Effort All
I
Engine.
don't know, that's what Matt said. Kind of reworded a little bit.
All engine. Would that
Right.
would all engine mean naturally aspirated?
Yeah. That's what he's implying, I think, when he said that.
I don't know. Is this why we just did heads, cam, and pistons in this one?
No, this is the one he pulled the engine out of.
We did heads, cam, and pistons.
Yeah, well, pistons, yeah.
Heads, cam, pistons, clutch, and valve cover. So it'll make a little less than our normal heads cam because I think these pistons drop half a point in compression. Well, are we doing flex fuel and shit on this thing? I think this already had flex fuel, I believe.
Yeah, it did when it came in.
So it'll make 540 and 580.
Yeah, but then he's all set up for boost later down the line.
Yeah. Yep. Which is the smartest way to do it. If you're doing a cam, definitely do the pistons when you do it.
Yeah, because you're already there. So
Yeah, you're already there.
you're already like,
You'll save a lot of money and labor doing it now versus later and us ripping the entire engine back apart.
this is set up.
Making more than I thought it would make. I thought it would only make that on E.
Really?
So, I mean, yeah, I said it fucking 4 minutes
saying
ago.
that.
I said 550 and 580, so maybe I'll make 580 and like 600, 605, something like that.
That'd be cool on E. That's not
Yeah.
all NA too.
Yeah.
Not a bad start, though.
Yeah, it's only at 22% E too.
Oh, really?
I don't know how after we just put in what we put in.
Gotta
But
throw in some more fuel.
we're gonna need to put it straight E now.
Straight E. Straight E.
Do we have any straight E left?
Do we have any ethanol, my friend? Uh-oh.
Yep.
Bingo. Some more E.
Yeah, we got the rest of this 50 in there and then put the 6 gallons of that shit in there.
I already put like it was in this one. I already emptied that one. So I think it was like 3.5-ish in that one.
Yeah.
So
It was pretty cool, I think.
yeah.
Nothing gonna.
What percent's it at now?
Right at 50.
Wait, 50? Okay.
And it's got a full tank, so that's all it's gonna get. Not that it would pick up more anyway, naturally aspirated over that.
No, no.
It's good. More than I thought it would make, yeah.
Yeah.
Google it.
Yeah, if anything, the alcohol helps, I think. Yeah, because when my dad...
He's justifying it, ladies and gentlemen.
No, 'cause when my dad had his heart attack, my mom asked, should he stop drinking? And they said no.
Yeah.
Just what you said. If anything, it would lower.
Alcohol thins your blood.
Right.
So I think it lowers
pressure.
lowers the blood pressure. So
Let's just say alcohol could be the only thing keeping me alive right now.
you heard it here first.
It's called dependence.
Dependency.
It wasn't me looking up stuff this time. He looked it up. Alcohol raises your blood pressure.
Your doctor would say to reduce alcohol consumption.
Okay, so clearly you and I are not doctors.
No, you can actually get as long as you're slightly bruised.
God damn it.
Everything in moderation. But apparently
I'm sick of it all. You know, I'm not gonna worry about what I eat.
yeah. Well, what do you eat? Garbage?
No, I was doing better.
Who told you had high blood pressure?
Well, every time I go to the doctors, like, they freak out about it. So my mom checked it the other day, and
What should I eat for dinner,
I
man?
see you eat a lot of chicken and rice, so
Yeah, that's a lunch thing.
red meat of some kind.
Red meat?
Yeah, maybe a cheeseburger or
Ooh, I hit Five Guys on the way home.
pasta with some red sauce, maybe.
So what?
Pasta with red sauce, like a
I'm
lasagna.
not fucking
Or...
making pasta. I'm buying something on the way home.
All right.
So where should I stop and buy dinner on the way home? That's my
Five
question.
Guys is a good option.
Is it
Chick-fil-A is a good option.
Chick-fil-A. I don't say Chick-fil-A.
Tyler, if I was you, I would fucking get Applebee's at least.
I almost do it at least once a week now.
4 days a week.
I always get really hungry though.
Go there after 9.
I know.
Spend literally $10 on like 5 apps and like 5 drinks.
I know. I made that mistake once already.
I'm pissed they got rid of the $1 drinks. I would go there and get bombed for like $12.
There's also the Fridays, literally another mile down the road.
I've been doing
So.
TGI Fridays since.
Yeah. Same thing basically,
Holy
but
shit.
Oh yeah, at the end of the road. Yeah.
yeah, it's at the light.
I ain't been in there in a while.
Yeah. Dude, I always get. I always go
you guys
like.
go on a dinner date, reconcile your differences.
I mean,
Apologize to each other for disrespecting each other.
if it'll make you feel better, I will take you out for half price apps.
Oh shit, he's gonna wine and dine the shit out of you, man.
I always go right after work though, cause I'm starving, and
I usually eat right after work. Like I shower and then eat immediately.
Yeah, I don't even shower. I go home and make food instantly. I'm all about it.
Nah, I need to be clean.
Yeah. Well,
To be fair, you're not.
yeah. Now you can say it. I know.
What?
I know.
Not all jobs are dirty.
I don't do anything all day. I don't do anything all day. Just sit in the office and.
I'm not. I didn't say that. Jesus Christ.
No, I'm just making a joke. That's all.
Just saying.
Yeah.
You're not out here turning wrenches. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, you're right. I am not.
Getting this shitty insulation in your clothes.
Insulation.
Yeah.
What? Where did the insulation come up?
Right here. Oh. In the tunnel. I hate it.
I see.
Holy fuck! I just rolled my ankle.
Fucking busting moves down there like an NBA player. That's wrong.
Had like the bar right when you walk in, and they close
Yeah,
at 9
bars to the
o'clock.
right. They have like a corner table.
Mm-hmm.
It's right to the right of the front door.
Yeah, my roommate, one of his friends was like wanted to hang out or something, and he's like, "Can you come along? Because I need an excuse to leave." And I was like, "Yeah, sure. I'll get a drink." I don't know. I had some blackberry shit. No, I only had one.
Oh, man.
Yo, that place upstairs gets
Yeah, I saw that a second floor in it.
popping.
So that was, isn't that the one where they do all the dancing and shit upstairs? It's pretty rowdy.
There, Deer Park does it too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So.
Friday night. I mean, you got to get out there on Friday night.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Oh man.
I'm not going anywhere with you until you get a little nicer than me. That's for damn sure.
God, he's playing victim over here.
He is. He's really playing victim
That's
card.
playing victim.
Yeah.
You nice children.
I didn't do it, Bill.
Yeah, the person that said they didn't do it usually did it.
Yeah. See, Kyle's right.
I have siblings. I know how it works.
Oh, I have siblings as well, my friend.
God damn, I really hate this shit.
Yeah, that looks very unfortunate.
I really do, because it always gets torn up right here because of this. And then like you're pulling, like loosening the belt housing bolts, it gets all messed up. It's just really annoying, for being honest.
Be sure to stay tuned for next week's episode where Eric starts working on this Chevy SS. It's going to be getting a Pro Charger kit, and the guys continue working on a few other projects.
Yeah, I think it's getting a Whipple.
Yeah, good one, dude. Good one.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah.